YouTube, good morning. It is just around 9 o'clock Thursday, June 22nd. As you can see, I'm here at Rainy Lake. It's going to be me, my dad, and a few of his buddies. There's 6 of us actually here on this trouting trip. For the next 3 days, we're just going to be, trouting, having fun, and drinking lots of beers. So yeah, first time I was ever in here was about 5 years ago, and yeah, as you can see, the scenery here is just absolutely amazing. I mean, I am so excited. There's a lot of nice trouting in this area. Not Labrador size, but enough to keep for a meal and of pan fried trout. So we're just stick around, and I'm just helping the boys now with a few things at the tent. So when we get fishing, we're gonna start filming. Boys, they're getting things ready.
Going to be good. Going to be good.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. What's on the menu tonight, Macker?
Tonight we got barbecue prime ribs, and each prime rib steak averages about 16 ounces, which would be a full pound. It's going to be cooked tonight by our barbecuer extraordinaire, your dad, Bob. And then we're going to have, with that, we have 3 types of salads. And as an appetizer today, we have fresh Atlantic snow crab.
Perfect.
Yeah, and that was harvested off the shores of Newfoundland and done up and prepared in the fish plant in Hickman's Harbor. Say hi to Mom and Dad.
Yeah, will do. Beautiful day, isn't it, boys?
Beautiful.
You got a bottom there, Coop? Okay, there you go. And gee, you got something there, Reg? They're windish? No, it's trout. He is, he'll be jumping everywhere. Oh, man.
Oh, Reg's jumping everywhere.
You get him aboard there, Reg, boy. Oh, that's a lovely fish there, Reg. That's a nice fish. Oh, ho, ho. Move your rod out of the way. Come on, Reg. Wonderful. Awesome. Awesome job. That's a nice one, too. Beautiful trout there, buddy. Great job. Show him there, Coop. Let's see him. Wow, nice. Beautiful trout. Oh, got something. Oh, I got something.
Oh, we got a wood there.
Little winning-ish there for you. So. Oh, got something! I got something! Oh, winning-ish. He jumped.
Got him?
He's gone. Oh well, perfect release. So now the only thing I need is a new worm. Oh, jeez. Got him. Oh, I got him.
Got him?
Yep.
Oh, right.
A small one there.
Fast. Won't do fast.
Coop, that's a lovely fish. Oh man, oh my God, Coop.
Yeah.
Here's the net. I'll get the net for you, buddy.
All right.
Bring him over. Bring him over.
You put him up now.
Yeah.
Put it in a bit farther. Out that way, out the water.
Here, okay. Come on.
You know when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. Bring him in. Bring him in. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Woo-hoo. Now that's what we're talking about right there. Yes, sir. Hold him up there, Coop. Awesome.
Wow.
That's wonderful. That's awesome. All right, so we just arrived back at camp here and just cleaning up the trout that we caught. Had a lovely day. Conditions were a bit strange, but other than that, you know, we got some really lovely fish right here. The middle one there is probably the biggest one, which is the one Dad got, and although a couple of those in there are mine, and I think a couple are Coops and a couple are Reg's as well. Bruce and Derek also got a couple as well too. So yeah,
We day fishing so far.
oh for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, some good day after a hard day fishing and have a beer.
Yes, sir.
Reminds me down Florida, walking around, right? See a woman's going to.
And steaks for supper tonight, guys.
Yeah, looks delicious. Grade A steaks at Montreal Steak Spice. You can't get no better.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be good, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Shrimp, a piece of rabbit tongue scoop. Rich, there's nothing
You
happening
got any
there.
rabbit in there?
Date time, set
I
date
had
time.
dream one time I had a piece of rabbit tongue come up.
No.
Who do it?